Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to update bank account in Stripe. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred browser. For now, I'll open my Google Chrome. Once you're on the browser, navigate to the Stripe official website. Now simply log in and go to your account. Once you're logged in and you're on the main dashboard, you're gonna go to the settings. Here you can see the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Again, choose the option settings. Here in the settings menu, you can see the business option. Tap on it. Now you need to go to the bank account section. So tap on more and choose bank accounts and currencies. Here you'll see the list of bank accounts linked with your Stripe account. If you scroll to the right, you can see the three dots. So in order to update bank accounts, you need to tap on these three dots. Now tap on edit bank account. You need to verify with your email. So tap on send the link. Now you need to check your email for the verification link. Once you open the email, you'll see the verify me button. Tap on it. Now you need to enter your password and tap on continue. And here you can see the details of your bank account. The given details are different according to the country of your bank. So as I have my bank account from United Kingdom, I would have to enter my sort code and my account number. So you can update your bank account accordingly. So you can tap on sort code and you can change it. And you can tap on account number and you can change it. Once you have updated your bank details, tap on edit account. And there you go, you've successfully updated your bank account in Stripe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.